so 6-7 rounds, same company, same role. I've been asked the same question. मेरे पास 100 लोग हैं, मेरे को 20 कैसे ढूंढने हैं? Getting in touch with people was so hard, right?
Yeah.
That's
Getting
why
that time.
I had 87 conversations with hiring managers, TA. Like a business person also knows the challenges of running a business.
Hello, hi, welcome to On the Way. Today we are interviewing Rishit, who is building a AI recruiting platform.
What's up?
Hey, hi, how are
How are you? Doing good, doing
All
good. yeah.
good, all good.
Sorry I kept you waiting.
No problem,
I
it's
feel
okay.
bad
Can
about
you एक बार फिर से ना बुलेरो है ये थोड़ी
गजब
बेइज्जती
है ना.
थोड़ी सी भारी है. You have to open and
I'm just putting the belt.
ठीक.
So like I used to work as a PM
हाँ.
at this spicy backed startup called Vahan, and I left in
And PM is product manager.
product manager.
ठीक
So,
है.
yes.
प्रोग्राम मैनेजर भी PM बोल देते हैं.
Yes,
If you-
product manager.
हाँ.
I was a product manager there for 3 years. उसके बाद I left in March 2025.
But before that, what were you doing? You were studying.
I graduated in 2020, engineer,
From?
from this college in Mysore called SJC,
Okay.
and मजे किए 4 साल.
हाँ.
पढ़ाई तो नहीं किया.
And you
then I
are from Bangalore. You
I am
studied-
from Bangalore.
हाँ.
I was born and brought up here. My family is from UP. Mom's
हाँ.
from Lucknow,
हाँ.
and but I've grown here my entire life.
Okay.
So I'm also confused when people ask me where I'm from because
हाँ.
I'm not very good at Kannada. I'm not very good at Hindi.
हाँ.
English is like the main language I communicate in.
Got it.
So, but I was in Mysore for 4 years. Otherwise, I've been in Bangalore my whole life.
हाँ.
And uske baad, like I was an engineer, and I always wanted to be a developer. I was very good at coding.
हाँ.
College mein I would like take part in a lot of competitions, win those, and we inter college competitions. I would be like there was a group that we had a club in college and stuff that we would do all this stuff. So I was very interested in tech and coding, and I wanted to be a dev. I got an offer to join as a developer at this company called Philips. After joining, I realized कि healthcare company है तो पता भी नहीं था मेरे को.
हाँ.
And when I joined, turns out that the role I had was actually like a business analyst role.
हाँ.
So from day zero, I got like super pissed. Day zero, as an intern, I went to my manager who was leading the entire department. I told her कि मेरे को ये नहीं करना है. I can't do this. But that was the year of the pandemic, and it was a little fucked up in the sense that like switching was tricky. People
Yeah.
were a little defensive at the time.
Yeah.
So I was cruising, and even my internship that was supposed to go on for like 6 months went on for like 9 months because of all of these delays. It kept going on. Finally, offer mila. I joined in November 2020,
हाँ.
and so then I just was doing horrible work at Philips, getting very bored, and I wanted to go out.
हाँ.
I then, like any other sane human being, went to start doing GMAT and MBA and all.
हाँ.
I did GMAT, got a decent score,
हाँ.
and uske baad I almost joined ISB, but that didn't happen. Like, I got rejected in the interview,
Okay.
and then I was like, shit man, ये भी नहीं हुआ, मैं क्या करूँगा life में.
This was for ISB Hyderabad or Mohali? All overall.
I mean, ISB admissions के बाद पता चलता है where you go. Location. So
अच्छा, okay.
I was just interviewing in their early admissions program or something. So you need like a minimum of
हाँ.
2 years to kind of
हाँ.
start in their college. At the time I had like a year or something. So you get an early admission, and then you start. My goal was to become a product manager after that, because in Philips I worked very closely with the product manager.
Yeah.
And I was like, dude, this looks fun. While I want to be a software developer, at this point I had done enough introspection in life, because ISB makes you write these essays, and I took it very seriously. I was like, dude, make to the nahi hai ISB. So I was
This is the
introspecting.
make or break of the career.
Yeah, I mean, like at that point you think, right?
Yeah,
As
yeah.
a kid,
Yeah,
what the
yeah.
hell am I doing?
Yeah.
I see all my other friends do such crazy shit.
Yeah.
And I was like, "ये नहीं हुआ तो where am I going?"
Yeah.
So I spent a lot of time introspecting, and I realized, tech is something I love, but the reason I like tech is because I like solving problems.
Yeah.
And product management's a good place to be if you want to solve problems.
Yes.
Because every day you have problems of different kinds.
Yeah.
And I learned that working with a PM at Philips. I just got very lucky because I was constantly nagging my manager कि मैं कोई काम नहीं करना, I don't want to do this. Every week, every day I would message her in the beginning. Somehow I got transferred to like the school internal secret pilot project within Philips.
Okay.
And I was doing something I had no clue about. I was building data models for healthcare systems and I had no clue what that even was. But I got to learn quite a bit. तो उसके बाद ISB didn't happen, but I started applying for product management jobs. Then that also didn't happen.
Oh.
And I spent like a few months figuring that out, and it just was very bad. And then I realized that why would anyone want to hire me? But this was also peak hiring time. 2022 was when obviously companies were splurging money on hiring people. उस समय I got introduced to the product folks community on Slack. There, at the time, the community was popping, so I would do mock interviews with people. And then I met someone there. She and me, we together participated in their teardown competition. So they partner with startups and companies, and then they give you a problem statement like ये solve करो. And then the person who wins gets a job in that company or gets an interview in the company.
Yes.
This is the first time I've ever started doing product management work. And before that, everything I read was how do you crack the product management in the job, not how do you actually do the job.
Yeah.
That's what people do.
Yeah.
But then I went, did that, we won that competition, I got a job. उसके बाद I got 7 offers फट से line से. And then I joined Vahan. There I spent like 3 years.
और वाहन थोड़ा डिटेल में if you can tell कि करती क्या थी.
So Vahan is a...
और करती क्या है actually. I think it's still like this.
Yeah, it does. It's doing it.
Yeah,
it's a YC-backed startup that recruits delivery workers for companies like Zomato, Swiggy, and Rapido.
Okay.
At this point, they are placing 40,000 workers a month. So I was very close to hiring and recruitment, but blue collar workers. I was seeing how the process works. I joined as an APM, Associate Product Manager. Spent 3 years there almost. Left as a Senior Product Manager. Sab kiya, sab seekha. It was a very, very good experience because I had 2 goals when I left, and luckily it worked out for me part time. कि मेरे को छोटे कंपनी में जाना है बस Philips. I saw the bureaucracy and I was like, no, this is not fun. And I want to take a bigger ownership, which was product management. So I got lucky and the company gave me opportunities to do that. So towards the end I was like almost leading almost all the charters across the company, from the B2C side, the B2B side, obviously with help of people. ऐसा नहीं कि अकेले मैं सब कर रहा हूँ, but I had my hands dirty in everything, and that gave me a lot of learnings. Towards the end, we started building an AI recruiter, a voice agent that would talk to delivery workers and start placing them.
Okay.
But I'll stop here. I think I've spoken too much.
नहीं. So again, like, so this completed, right? So उसके like towards the end you started building that, and then what happened? Like there would be some inflection point. कुछ तो हुआ होगा ना where you're like कि यार अब शुरू करते हैं बनाना, like of or I'll start working on something that I really want to together. So what was that like? Like how did that happen? Plus I'm assuming you said you have a co-founder as well who is based out of I think US.
Yes.
Right? So like लोग इंडिया में ही अपना सेम शहर में co-founder नहीं ढूंढ पाते हैं, right? So like how does that US co-foundership happen? Plus like I think co-founders or all of this is like a marriage only.
Yeah.
Right? 2 people have to come together, and it's
very tricky.
It's very tricky. It's trickier than marriage according to me, maybe. But
Yeah,
just
100%.
I'm just 1 year old in marriage, so I may change my opinions later. But I feel it's like, and it can't be an arranged marriage. Like like maybe big businesses can do arranged marriages, but small businesses or startups that are like going to very new water, you have no idea. yeah, that what's gonna happen, what's the temperature of the water, what's the tide of the water, right? So
Yeah.
how does that work? So yeah, tell me more about that.
I mean, at this point, I was like May, it was like Jan, Feb, March, Jan, Feb, I think 2025.
Yeah,
And I was looking for. I started questioning myself, ki what next, right? I was like, okay, theek hai, I've done this. I think I'm okay at my job. Now I want to get very good at my job. Where can I go? I started looking, and I realized ki a lot of other places in this industry and space, if I go in, I will still have a very small charter wherever I go. If I go to a bigger company like Zomato, for example, I will have like one feature on the product to learn as a PM.
yeah,
Even if I grow in my career, I'll probably own the application. But I was like, no, I want to learn faster.
yeah,
What is something I can do? And honestly, वो उस समय मेरे mind में था. After a lot of introspection, I realized that I just want to be the person calling the shots. This is a very selfish thing. ठीक है? I was like, okay, if I am doing something, I think I have certain self-confidence in my abilities. I want to do things my way. What's the only thing that allows me to do that if I start up? And I was in this point in my journey, life, also like personal life, ki I'm in a stable relationship and thoda time hai before I get married. I was like, dude, is point where I can do whatever I want.
Yes. Fair.
And luckily I have savings and my parents live in Bangalore. So I was like, okay, I must take advantage of my unfair opportunities or whatever things.
Yeah.
So I was like, I live in Bangalore.
yeah,
So I've got free housing.
uh,
My parents were supportive. I was super scared to tell them, but they were super supportive.
uh,
My dad's a business owner. He rebuilt his entire business at 53,
yeah,
scratch se, zero se,
Yeah.
because of whatever reasons it went down, and then he rebuilt it khud se.
uh,
So like big inspiration, and I was
Yeah.
like, he was super supportive, still are. So I left, no plan. I didn't know what I'll do. Just left. I was like, dekh lenge, and watch in Mara. And then I started doing research. And then I spoke to a lot of people and happened to stumble upon the hiring space, and I've been building there. But obviously a lot of my friends knew I was building this. So my one of my college friends, Nitin, he messaged me, called me, bhai, even I'm done with my job and I'm thinking ki yaar, I want to do something like this.
yeah,
I was like, bro, look, if you want to join, you help me. But he was like, yeah, I want to join in like as a co-founder. I was like, if you want to, then you have to do it like full time, right? How else will you do it? You're in the US, I'm here. It doesn't make any logical sense. The time difference is crazy. I know him for 10 years.
yeah,
Dost hai, very good friend. And we lived together in college and all that. So like we're very tight anyway. He's like, let me try. Dekhte hain 1-2 mahina. We'll see how it goes. I was like, cool. And then we started working on Mazel together. Like from and then that 1-2 mahina wala trial period jo hota hai to when it became like actual co-founder partnership, I didn't realize also. It's very smooth. Like he's exactly what I was hoping for, in the sense that he's very high ownership. Generally, I'm non-technical. At this point, everyone is, but technical. But I'm non-technical, so I need like a technical co-founder. And when people think of technical co-founder, like okay, product या tech बनाएगा बस. But I was like, nee, I want someone who's gonna do everything, as much as I would do, right? So that it makes sense for him to be incentivized, me to be incentivized, and then for both of us to logically challenge each other. And he was exactly that. He just doesn't think about only tech. He's like tech, product, business, PR, communication, LinkedIn, ये सब बात कैसे करे लोगों से, GTM कैसे करे. Everything we're doing together. We have ownerships in areas, but like we challenge each other in both. So that was fun. As he was just random, he reached out to me, so it worked out.
But like okay, so I'll go back to a part where you said that your father rebuilt his business. Do you think, because I've met a lot of founders, right? And a lot of times I've seen that it's not parents have big business or small business. Just to do business has to have a very different mindset from, let's say, someone who has only seen their parents working as
Like
a
a
salaried
salaried
employee, because there is this weird anxiety of कि अगले महीने का पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? Where will that come from, right? So and like when someone does business, it requires a different, it's a mind shift change according to me. It's not just that you just get in and do, like, obviously I feel that again there are a lot of situations, right? Few people have to do it out of the need, which are the people जिनको हम ठेला लगाते हुए देखते हैं वगैरह वगैरह,
Correct.
because उनके लिए और कोई opportunity
और
नहीं है, तो
हाँ.
वो they are doing it, यार यही skill set है, right? And few
हाँ.
people come from their craft, so they do it. But for someone like you who came from a business, like let's say your father had a business,
Correct.
you went and you were like, नहीं मैं job करूँगा, मैं engineering करूँगा. Like it was not a traditional route of a business family.
हाँ.
Usually what I have seen is people going and study and then coming back to their parents का या father के business.
हाँ, it's a proper family.
Yeah,
business.
that is how it
Hmm.
was. So how difficult, or let's say there's no difficult part, but how different is it for you? Because it's a unique, rare case you would not see in business family. जैसे मारवाड़ी friends जितने हैं,
Correct, correct.
they operate in a way where they go, they study wherever in the world they feel like, and
Life
then they come back,
experience.
they experience the life, and then they come back, and then they try to double it down, and they do really well, and there's
Hmm.
nothing wrong in it.
Yeah,
Like, it's,
yeah.
one way. So how was that difference? Like, has it never happened that uncle said कि यार तुम ये क्या कर रहे हो, हमारे साथ आके join करो, double down करो, वगैरह वगैरह?
नहीं, कभी नहीं हुआ. He saw कि I was interested in tech. He said tech करो.
हाँ.
Do what you're interested in.
हाँ.
He's never really asked me this. In
हाँ.
fact, like a business person also knows the challenges of running a business very deeply, right?
हाँ.
Like you said, अगले महीने का पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? And if you're obviously I have a sister, if you have 2 kids,
हाँ.
then it's like also tricky, right?
It's
in
very
certain
tricky.
situations.
Yeah.
And those things are things parents never share with you as children.
हाँ.
But you observe,
Yeah.
right? So like he's never asked me to join the business and ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, but he said कि भाई तेरे को tech पे interest है. My mom also, if you want to do something, do it. Whatever it would have been, she would have supported me, I'm sure. So I'm sure if tomorrow if I want to get back into what they're doing, they'll be like, yeah, do it. But at this point, they're very happy seeing me struggle myself and figure it out, because I saw him do it. थोड़ा सा वो मिलता है कि हाँ हो सकता है, right? And I have that mentorship also from then.
Got it. But like, so currently are you like in a zone of raising funds? Like, next question is basically around raising funds versus bootstrap. How do you look at a business? Because every founder looks at it in a very different way. At certain level I'll raise funds, or I will raise funds pre-seed before idea to do, let's say, whatever GTM करना है मुझे इतना चाहिए ही चाहिए. So where do you see yourself at while you are building?
At this point, we are planning to raise funds in the next 2-3 months.
Interesting.
Because initially I didn't think of raising funds. We were applying to incubators and all that. Thai. But we didn't have active conversations with people who mind में था ही नहीं, because my understanding is if I'm raising funds, I need to sell it to myself first. And I'm very critical about something.
Yeah.
Like, because for me, like building a good product is very important, or
Yeah.
at least figuring out a good insight is very important. And I was like, till I don't find that and validate it to a certain extent that I convince myself of this situation, I will not go outside. At this point, we have that conviction. We're at a situation where we are seeing traction, we have paying customers, we have contracts signed. So still early, obviously, but that's giving us that conviction कि yeah, we're probably going in the right direction. And the other thing is not even these numbers. It's the conversations I have with people, and that's something I've learned working in the past, that it isn't eventually your metrics or your funnel or things like that matter early days, because data doesn't exist. Right? आप कैसे convince करोगे? Even if you have like 100 customers, that sample is still very small.
Very small.
It's the conversation, right?
Yeah.
And you being able to understand whether they are truly valuing it or just saying it to make you happy. So for me, I felt that in conversations. So like things I've heard from the people I've talked to, from the people who've used our product, from the people I've just done research with.
Give some examples, no, in that.
Is-
Like कि एक तो also like थोड़ा सा like double down on कि where is the product helping what kind of problem is it helping
Mhm.
or solving, and who are these people who are talking, like not the names, but largely who are
Yeah.
these kind of people who are talking about good, bad, ugly, whatever, right? So what's that?
So, like we're Measles building like decision intelligence for hiring.
हाँ.
So, my insight before we built a single thing, while we were still building, trying, testing, learning.
हाँ.
By building, I mean like really when you focus on a single product and build it,
Huh.
right? That's very different from just building tools.
Yeah.
So we were always building and experimenting, but before we started focusing on one thing
हाँ.
solely, I had 87 conversations with hiring managers, TAs, and this is a number I remember because we were writing a research paper now on all the stuff we found.
हाँ.
इसलिए मेरे को number याद है.
हाँ.
Spoke to people. In fact, getting in touch with people was so hard, right?
Yeah.
That's
Getting
why-
their time is.
Getting their time is very, in India especially, it's very hard. Like in the
Yeah.
US, I found that if I message someone, they're more open to having a conversation,
Yeah.
at least in person.
Yeah.
India, mein, it's thoda sa tricky.
हाँ.
Also because of travel, which is a
हाँ.
pain, and people don't
हाँ.
generally
Plus
trust.
multiple, हाँ, वो एक, like it's not just trust. Half of the time people feel कि ये मुझे कुछ बेचने आ रहा है,
Correct.
right? Like ये आ रहा है, ये मुझसे बात करेगा, मुझसे पूछेगा कि तुम्हारी क्या प्रॉब्लम है, और फिर मैं बोलूंगा मेरी प्रॉब्लम, फिर बोलेगा ये लेना,
हाँ.
right? So half of the time in India people don't talk because they don't want to buy, and everyone starts
Correct.
selling.
That's probably
So,
the reason. Maybe.
हाँ,
Yeah,
that becomes a very major reason for, like I've spoken to a lot of people. तो मुझे भी एक चीज समझ में आई है कि यार लोग तुमसे बात नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि उनको ये लग रहा है कि तुम उन्हें कुछ बेचने आए हो, तो वो बहुत उनको मतलब they are not, they don't like, no one is
No
not
one likes
India,
being
no one
sold.
likes being sold. So yeah, that is हाँ.
True.
So the
That's
87
pretty cool.
conversation.
हो सकता है.
हाँ.
Huh, so 87 so like finding time was very hard, so we figured out a hack. There's this thing called Topmate,
हाँ ना.
जहाँ पे लोग अपना mentorship खोलते हैं,
हाँ ना.
and we saw that there are so many recruiters and hiring managers in Topmate.
हाँ.
वहाँ से we spent money, book time with people. Now when you pay someone for their time,
हाँ ना.
the amount of attention I have received in those conversations is
Is
insane.
massive. Yeah.
Even if it's 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees,
हाँ.
like they're giving you that focus, right? So
Yeah.
I had a lot of conversations. So Topmate ye hack figured out kiya.
हाँ.
We sped up our research very quickly. Still research takes time.
Yeah.
Like we still talk to people, but in the span of 2 months we went through those conversations. And what I realized is obviously hiring me, right? Like initially you brought up,
हाँ.
it's the noise that comes through and how do you filter through the noise and find signal,
Yeah.
right? But what I realized is that the biggest white space, and this is something that convinced me also from my personal experience, was the interviews. In the sense that like there are products that help you find people, LinkedIn and Naukri and
Yeah.
Indeed and now Juicebox and a lot of other startups that do discovery
हाँ.
of candidates,
Yeah.
and then obviously relevancy comes in
Yes.
discovery. It's part of the
Yes.
same thing,
Yes.
right? Then there are companies and products that help you filter that noise that you find to get people that are relevant to you,
हाँ.
right? And then beyond that, there are probably products that actually there aren't too many products beyond that. There's an ATS that measures and tracks all your
ATS तो
performance.
बहुत ही vanity लगता है
ATS is
मुझको.
UI
हाँ.
on top of a database, right?
Yeah.
मतलब वो एक what I have observed with TAs is कि they want an ATS initially when they're starting and they don't have an ATS.
हाँ.
They think an ATS will solve the problem, but in the end the ATS becomes a problem
हाँ.
because उसको फिर
Exactly.
maintain करने के लिए आपको एक intern या एक कोई junior hire करना है
हाँ.
जो daily ये सब कुछ update कर रहा है.
हाँ.
So interviews was like the most ignored part, and if you think about it, a resume is a candidate's
हाँ.
marketing का piece of paper filled with their marketing material.
Yeah.
मैंने ये किया, ये थोड़ा.
हाँ.
They never say I feel no, I
हाँ.
fucked up here, I'm not good at this.
Yeah.
वो तो अपना positive बोलेगा. The same thing, a job description for a company
Yeah.
is its own marketing.
Yeah.
Oh, we give you all of these benefits and we have food and party and
Yeah.
beer and stuff and
हाँ.
whatnot, right?
Yeah.
Like flexible working hours, when you realize ki, oh, flexible means I have to work every day
Yeah.
for 20 hours
Yeah.
or whatever, right?
Yeah.
So you don't really know the truth, and
Yeah.
the truth comes out in those conversations. So if all products, and this was what I felt, are focusing on marketing material, JD and resume, and matching based on that, you are going to hire a candidate who's a marketing candidate. Not anything against you. What I mean by that is,
it is.
what I mean by that
No,
is
because I'm not a great marketer, so I know it. Like I know the loops and the hacks of getting anywhere.
getting an interview, saying things that get you
Yeah.
in roles, right?
But then I also know ki look, once you have got it's very simple. It's like you get into IIT, but IIT के बाद तुमको एग्जाम देने हैं, जो
Correct.
तुम्हें देने के लिए तुम्हारे पास एक स्किल सेट तुमने बोल तो दिया था,
Hmm.
बट तुम्हारे पास है नहीं,
Hmm.
राइट? एंड जो ये फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट की डेफिनेशन है ना, ये वहाँ पे फॉल फ्लैट होती है. जैसे मैं मार्केटिंग में बहुत ही असाइनमेंट हैवी पर्सन, आई डिजाइन असाइनमेंट्स माई सेल्फ एंड आई नो इफ माई असाइनमेंट्स इज लाइक इफ समवन इज एबल टू क्रैक माई असाइनमेंट वेल, then I have respect for that person.
Correct.
Because I will ensure कि मैं उतना टाइट असाइनमेंट बनाऊँ कि मुझे खुद करने में मेहनत लगे.
Exactly.
Right, like so yeah, so I get where you're coming from. Like I genuinely feel ki it's a proof to, like, you have to prove that you can do the job that comes 6 months later, not today.
Yeah, exactly. And that's where assessments, assignments come in, take
Yeah.
homes come in.
Yeah.
So we actually started in that space. We were like, okay, let's build
Huh.
something called work simulation.
Huh.
So we built a platform that simulates your everyday work. But the problem with take homes, I realized, is one, your completion rates are very low.
Huh.
You're generally the standards like 20 to 30%
Yeah.
completion rates, and the reason assessments are sent at this point, I realized that it's not to validate whether the correct assessment is just a filter.
Yeah.
Right? So I started building work simulation. We spent like a few weeks on it, but then we realized this through conversations with TAs, because we were consistently talking about कि यार इसका मोटिवेशन असेसमेंट भेजने का इज नॉट टू वैलिडेट कि अच्छा है दीदी, इट्स टू फिल्टर.
हाँ.
मेरे पास 100 लोग हैं, मेरे को 20 कैसे ढूंढने हैं.
हाँ.
I cannot call them, I'll send them a link. The people who completed are the guys I will move forward.
Fair.
Because they've put the effort, so they're like,
Yeah.
oh, high signal.
Yeah.
But if you think about it, like the high signal people can be people who are just free. The next thing is,
Or don't have a job right now.
Yes, I'm not
Yes.
against unemployed people because I was unemployed for a very long time. But what I mean by that is they're just someone who's going to submit a better assessment. Is
Yeah.
just someone who's had plus more time to spend on it.
Yes.
जो job में है वो कर रहा है, who's busy, will spend 2-3 hours. So we started work simulation by building a platform to send take work. So you come onto our platform, you have a call with our agent. Our agent creates a specific assessment for you, but you don't have to create it. It solved a problem. People wanted it, but we stopped it because, and we still have our platform. Maybe we'll bring it up later again. But we realized कि यार मतलब if I make a better assessment or a assignment platform, it doesn't solve the problem because
Why?
people just want to filter. They can filter through a Google form, so they can filter through their own assessment.
हाँ, but like they'll not be able to judge the assignment through Google Form. No?
People
Like just
don't have the time to read assignments. That's a good question, right?
Yeah.
Like, if you think about I'm not saying कि I'm not also like
हाँ,
one
so
candidate
I'm
I'm
assuming
building
these
for
are largely
companies.
for tech roles, first of all.
any
No.
roles tech
हाँ.
product focused primarily. Like
हाँ.
it's not limited to tech because interviews are everywhere.
Fair, fair.
And that's the fundamental truth of
हाँ.
whatever hiring you.
Yes.
A conversation.
हाँ.
Right? So like मतलब हम लोग ने जो स्टार्ट किया था असेसमेंट के साथ, सॉरी आई लॉस्ट ट्रैक, क्या बोला था
नहीं
आपका
तो
क्या question
like
था?
you said कि हमने उस प्रोडक्ट को रोक दिया,
हाँ
राइट? विच
Correct.
अभी तक जो मेरे दिमाग में जो पिक्चर चल रही थी, I was like, अरे ये तो बहुत सही जा रही है, क्लाइमैक्स पे यू आर लाइक नहीं, हमने तो ड्रॉप कर दी.
रोक दिया
हाँ.
because the thing is there are a bunch of assessment products out,
Fair,
right? And that's not a problem.
Yeah.
Like competition's good, and if you believe in something, you build.
Yeah.
The point is, my fundamental thought at that point was, if I build a great assessment, people will not value it because the value they get out of assessments is filtering, not assessment as such, not assessing the person.
Yeah.
And this is, by the way, a small caveat for companies that are at least 150 plus,
Yeah.
जहाँ पे processes start coming in, right? वहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक हायरिंग मैनेजर बोलते हैं अपने एक सॉर्ट ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव टेक लीड या टीम लीड को कि भाई तू बना असाइनमेंट.
हाँ
You are a founder, you are building your own assignment because you care deeply.
हाँ
Beyond a point, founder-led hiring stops,
या
right? Then if you still believe in assessments, the hiring manager, either them or assigns like a tech lead saying, or team lead rather, कि तू assignment बना. वो half-ass करेगा.
हाँ
उसके बाद they get submissions.
हाँ
Submissions are either a GitHub repository in tech, or in most other cases is a document or a presentation or a PDF.
या
Then you have to tell your team to take time out to read it,
हाँ
right?
हाँ
So the problem is no one reads those submissions, and because no one has the time to read.
Yeah,
those
like summer
submissions.
vacation projects.
Correct. आया है ठीक है, देखा मैंने,
हाँ.
but the signal in assessments are very high,
Yeah.
right? So those exist, and I want to bring it back up again. But at this point, I felt कि probably I don't have the right selection for it, because after I give a report to
हाँ.
somebody, वो पढ़ेगा कौन?
हाँ.
Right? Like I spoke to a lot of TA folks, talent acquisition folks,
हाँ.
who used tools like HackerRank and Port Signal and
Yeah.
things. And I was like, what do you read? I was like, show me. And all they read in the report was the score, 87 out of 100 or 64 out of 100. We dropped it and we realized that interviews were a big gap. And look, for me, hiring is just the conversations.
Yeah.
Right? You have with people, and that's where you get the most signal. Assessments and conversations where
हाँ.
I stopped building my assessment platform because at the moment people use it for filtering, not for evaluation. So I've shifted to interviews, because interviews are a truth, and that's where actual signal gathering happens.
Yes.
ठीक है, signal capturing happens. So I realized that talking to these people ना, कि interviews are terribly unstructured. Number one. Number two, feedback that the interviewer submits to the, not to the candidate, internally वो manager को submit कर रहा है या HR को submit कर रहा है so that they can move forward, is very slow. I was shocked to see, and I observed this in myself also. After taking an interview, I give a feedback after 2-3 days, and when I do that, I have forgotten everything.
हाँ.
Then after interviews, there is this process, third thing called a debrief.
Yes.
जहाँ पे the hiring manager, the talent acquisition person, and all the panel, or sometimes the panel isn't part of it, discuss the candidates and make a decision. When they're doing this, everyone's forgotten everything because it's 3 weeks later.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, मतलब मेरे को सही लगा, क्यों? No clue. And as
Vibe अच्छी आई थी. Like
हाँ.
usually तो मुझे जो questions आए हैं, वो answers आए हैं कि why did you end up getting this person, तो उनको तब तक बस ये याद था कि यार really like this vibe.
communication,
Yeah,
people
yeah,
say,
हाँ.
yeah.
मतलब अगर वो अब फिर वहाँ पे फंडामेंटली यही आ जाता ना कि someone who is confident enough gets maybe upper hand because उसने अपना एक let's say छाप छोड़ दी या like he has been able to stick through the part, but again that doesn't mean कि वो problem solve कर लेगा.
Correct.
Where I like disagree with most of the people that you can hire someone who is confident, but that person may not be the right person for you because confident है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उसके पास वो skill set है.
Yeah,
They are two completely two different things. But
absolutely.
yeah. हाँ. तो फिर
So we kept going deeper in this space, right? Like talking to more people, understanding how it works, and this is something that struck me and gave me that, you know, sometimes you just get that, like I said, vibe. But sometimes you get that conviction through like one realization that you've lived yourself. And what I realized is कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है. I was interviewing at multiple big companies before in the past, and even like a few years back, right? I've had like 6-7 rounds in companies of interviews. ठीक है? And in all those 6-7 rounds, same company, same role, I've been asked the same questions again and again and again. It's not just the basics of, hey, tell me about yourself. That's fundamental relationship building.
Yeah.
But actual questions that I've gotten across 7 rounds. There was once 6 rounds. There was once an actual interview I did for a senior PM role. All the interviews from the group product manager to the CTO of the company asked me the same question. Tell me about the most whatever. They ask me one specific question, and then
I can understand and relate to this.
they are evaluating the same thing in the end.
हाँ.
So you are creating redundancy.
हाँ.
The reason this happens, we realize, is there is no owner for an interview inside an organization.
हाँ.
The hiring manager cares because उसका
KPI है कि close करना है ना?
हाँ, close भी करने हैं
KPI.
KPI close करना है, तो the person I hire has to be great.
हाँ.
तो मेरे को इंटरव्यू सही चलाने को उसके पास टाइम नहीं है. TA on the other hand, their most unfortunately companies, TAs are very transactional.
Yeah.
So their rule ends at scheduling. They don't care what happens inside, and then they follow up for feedback. Because hiring, many people think, is sourcing and screening and scheduling, interview, feedback, and then offer and rollout and joining. But the big thing people ignore is hiring is very human. It's very human. Today, a dude just says, "Ki bhai, a lot of people say this. There's a personal emergency. I have to drop off. I cannot join." What would you do? You need a person to understand that guy's actual motivation of I need more money, right? That's what he wants. Someone's supposed to join on Monday morning. 9 a.m. the TA is waiting to welcome them for their onboarding, and they don't join. What will you do? All these things happen. There is kachra that the TA takes care of, right? And this is the mess that TAs are hired for, right? Like the human parts of hiring are things that are very important and fair. In the end, actually hiring, while we want to create structures through what we're building at Maisel also, there is flexibility we understand in terms of the personal relationship. And this is bias that I think is good. Bias is very bad generally, but good bias is me liking you.
No, fair.
And if I like you, then you work better with me, and that's a very human thing.
I've seen very less, like while I was working at Meesho, there was a TA who HRBP ban ke, she's still my friend because, and like बहुत पुरानी बात है, 6-7 साल पुरानी बात है, still my friend because of कि उसने जब मुझसे पहली बार बात करी थी ना, तो उसने मुझसे सब पूछ डाला था कि कहाँ से हो, लखनऊ से हो, ओके, मेरा कनेक्ट ये क्या मतलब है, उसको कोई मतलब नहीं है, बट she said कि there's a connection that made me feel okay, and that made me also give the confidence कि ठीक है, मैं मीशो ज्वाइन कर सकता हूँ, right? Like क्योंकि उस वक्त मीशो इतनी बड़ी नहीं थी, या any of that, because startups में it is not the like जो लोगों को अभी भी ये लगता है ना कि यार मनी ना, मुझे लग रहा है हर जगह सेम ही होने लगा है. तो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि स्टार्टअप आपको जो दे रहे हैं वो बड़ी कंपनीज अब नहीं दे रही है. लाइक कंपनीज आर आल्सो ट्राइंग, सो देयर हैज टू बी सम मोड ना वेयर स्टार्टअप्स वुड से कि ठीक है, कम वर्क विद अस, एंड द guy will say okay, I'm smart, I will work with you and not with a very very big company, because तो उसमें I understand कि connections and human relationship become very important. तो बट वही मतलब my disagreement is कि जो अभी TA करते हैं वो तो इवॉल्व हो जाएगा, लाइक दैट आई फील विल इवेंचुअली, क्योंकि वो scheduling and all of that becomes very very like automated एक वक्त के बाद.
Yeah, absolutely.
That part.
I agree. I mean, like, in a way, if you think about coding also, which is probably the most disrupted space with AI at this moment.
Yeah.
It's not like the developers have been replaced, right?
Yeah.
Their role has changed.
Yeah.
And it's impossible at this point to replace developers with AI coding tools and all that stuff. So that similarly, there has to be that moment for HR, and they're trying to build that. Okay, we're trying to build tools to take away the grind and make you more strategic. That's what devs have started becoming now. They start becoming, people have started calling them product engineers, which is like the intersection of product management and an engineer. A product manager generally is, while it might not be real in most cases, is supposed to be the most strategic person in the tech team, thinking about long-term things, not just execution, where things will go if we build, if we fail, if we succeed. So most of now engineers are doing, they're thinking one level before, their level of abstraction has gone one level higher. And the same thing with recruitment, unfortunately it's at a very low level, because it's like you said, it's very process, not the strategic.
I think मतलब so for me it's like कि अगर AI आ जाएगा तो शायद like मेरा ये मानना है कि फिर जो ये वाला काम है क्योंकि वो AI कर लेगा, तो then HR will spend more time in, let's say, understanding employees, talking to जो HR का actual eventually काम होना भी चाहिए, right? Like कि to to make sure that they don't feel like employees are feeling good in the company. There has to be
That is also true, and,
Yeah.
and like this is something everyone will say, right? Like I'm sure you will also. If you hire the right people, you will win.
yeah
Whatever you're doing,
Yeah.
right? आप उसको
Exactly.
गंदी प्रॉब्लम में भी डालो,
हाँ.
डेड एंड पे डालो, वो निकाल लेगा
एग्जैक्टली
रास्ता।
मतलब आई एम अ वेरी कोर बिलीवर कि मतलब जैसे ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ लाइक 10 years इनटू दिस गेम
हाँ.
ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स आई बिलीव अगर टीम स्ट्रांग मतलब टीम की स्ट्रांग कमांडरी सब कुछ अच्छी है
हाँ,
तो घटिया से घटिया प्रॉब्लम को वो इतना बड़ा बना के सॉल्व कर सकते लाइक दे कैन सॉल्व इट सो वेल that it becomes a oh wow what an interesting problem to solve
yeah.
versus a very interesting problem
Correct,
if
correct.
not has a good team then whatever like good problem industry कुछ भी pick कर लो आपकी वो
जी.
AI की बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम भी है
हाँ.
I don't feel कि फिर वो सॉल्व हो रही होगी अगर उसमें टीम अच्छी नहीं बैठी है
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
those मतलब for me तो I am a very team driven person like I feel
Same.
कि it's not a one person's game fundamentally for like it's like a football team कि एक
Correct.
मिडफील्डर आपको चाहिए एक
You
राइट
watch football?
लेफ्ट हाँ मैं सारे स्पोर्ट्स देख लेता हूँ बिकॉज
हाँ.
मुझे स्पोर्ट्स बहुत पसंद है
Same.
इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद कि नहीं मैं बहुत ही दीवाना हूँ मतलब आई एम अ दीवाना ऑफ एनी स्पोर्ट्स और वो मैं खेल भी लेता हूँ कि जो भी खेल हो रहा है तो आई विल बी प्लेइंग लाइक आई एम अ पर्सन हु वांट्स टू जस्ट
Be active.
be active in the like अगर कोई like it's just fun and for me sports as a way like मुझे लगता है sports analogies are so good and can be used so well in let's say startup scenarios.
Absolutely, yeah. No, I used to use the. My family used to ask me what does a product manager do. My sister's a developer, right? So
हाँ.
she like क्या करते हो भाई? What the hell?
हाँ.
That's a very disrespected field in general. Like
Yeah.
people confuse with project management
Yeah.
and shit. I used to use the analogy of okay, what is a football manager?
हाँ.
Right, like they technically orchestrate how players will move.
हाँ.
They just players are doing the work. The coaching staff is doing the coaching.
Yeah.
The physio is doing the physio stuff.
Fair.
And then I used to use those analogy. So sport is something I love as well. Look back, मैं तो पत खेलता.
Yeah.
I
think
that's the only thing that keeps me sane also these days. Like I go,
Yeah.
I go play football.
because
3
that
days
is
a week.
also the next question is actually that ki look it matters a lot when you are let's say meeting your co-founder physically daily versus it's in a different country different time zones
Yeah.
right also like मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि irrespective of आपके पास co-founder हो या ना हो the journey still is lonely
It is very.
it has and मतलब अब मुझे उसका कोई अल्टरनेटिव नहीं दिखा है कि ऐसा नहीं दिखा है कि उसकी एंड दिस हैज नथिंग टू डू विद वेदर इट इज अ बिग स्टार्टअप और अ स्मॉल स्टार्टअप द जर्नी स्टिल रिमेन्स लोनली
Correct.
राइट इट हैज एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली
You've done it also. right?
हाँ तो वो अनरिलेटेबल भी रहती है मतलब यू कांट मेक समवन रिलेट टू द जर्नी यू आर गोइंग थ्रू
Until you go through it.
हाँ तो आप किसी और को लाइक घर पे किसी को भी आप बता नहीं सकते हो कि आप लाइक वेयर आर यू राइट लाइक व्हेन समवन आस्क्स इन दीस काइंड ऑफ जर्नीज कि कैसे हो तो you have to just say बढ़िया है या like all good all well
Yeah, it's
because you
hard.
can't define कि how are you it is very क्योंकि वो movement है और वो movement का like good side ये है कि वो movement है but उसका down side ये है कि वो movement है so everything becomes a little tricky so how do you tackle with such situations one is sports what else do you think you do to like to figure out कि ये क्योंकि डाउन टाइम भी लो टाइम भी आता ही है राइट irrespective of you say कि यार अर्ली डेज में डेटा नहीं होते हैं you because you as in when you are a founder you would still want to see the numbers and the numbers will for sure hit low
they'll never make sense.
yeah so and then it will affect your let's say emotions
Yeah.
so how do you go or cope or figure out कि अब I think हमें कुछ और कर like I need to figure out my way right so what do you do
I think every day
हाँ
over the last 6 months especially
हाँ
I mean I've been building Mazer for the last 4 months
Yeah.
6 months I say because that's when I was exploring a different idea for the first 2-3 months.
Okay.
Uh, in this every day I feel like a champion,
हाँ.
and every day I feel like a loser.
हाँ.
Both.
हाँ.
Sometimes simultaneously also.
It's a pendulum which goes. हाँ.
And it fucks you up. ठीक है?
हाँ.
It's not easy.
हाँ.
I don't know, man. क्या ही बोलूँ मैं इसका? Like it's just that the only thing that keeps me going is one that I at this moment I'm still very happy that I'm doing this. How long I don't know. It will continue. How long I don't know.
हाँ.
वो तो देख के ही पता चलेगा. Like
हाँ.
it's
हाँ हाँ वो
insane.
तो वही है जर्नी के
Sports-
बिना जाके तो नहीं पता चलता विदाउट यू
Yeah. Football helps me, man. Like I play 3 days, 4 days a week. That 1.5, 2 hours that I'm playing, I forget everything.
इट्स एन एस्केप
It's an escape, right? Like, and it's something I didn't realize कि I'm doing it कि oh shit मेरे को ये anxiety होना जा रहा हूँ फुटबॉल के ऐसे नहीं होता है.
हाँ
मैं खेलने लग गया and then I started realizing I'm enjoying this so much. And other things is like at times I try to switch off on purpose. Like I have this mantra. It's tough to say though. It's tough to execute in real life. That if I'm not taking a break, I'm not working.
हाँ
It's because I realized at one point my peak is dropping and I'm not operating at peak and I switch off. And I'm like एक दिन मैं ले लेता हूँ छुट्टी. And कभी कभी like एक दो like after 3-4 months my co-founder and I
हाँ
we both say कि भाई break लेना है अभी.
हाँ.
And 3 days we do nothing. And it doesn't matter. It's by nothing I mean we don't actively build, but तभी भी दिमाग में चल रहा है सब.
हाँ बिकॉज ऐसा लाइक ऐसा नहीं हुआ है क्या कि व्हेन यू हैव टेकन अ ब्रेक एंड यू लाइक यार मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा उसके बाद यू आर फीलिंग गिल्टी कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ
Yes.
like
उसके-
the
उस time
guilt
पे ही
of
लगता है.
not doing is so high कि oh shit अभी ये 3 दिन का जो ब्रेक मैंने लिया है उसका
हाँ.
गिल्ट बहुत हाई है
बहुत है.
और उसको कंपनसेट करने के लिए then because it's I feel like ये मैं भी like everyone who has gone through those journeys would have felt similar right or more मतलब see
जी.
I don't think there is like the good part the bad part the ugly part about like I have this analogy which has like I use this as कि जो स्टार्टअप की जर्नीज हैं और जो लव स्टोरीज हैं वो कभी सेम नहीं हो सकती किसी की भी कभी भी बिकॉज दीज आर ऑलवेज everyone has their own unique journey while they are building a
Oh,
startup
मतलब 2 people will not know like that.
so जैसे
Okay.
like मेरी जो लव स्टोरी है
हाँ.
वो किसी भी दूसरे इंसान की लव स्टोरी जैसी नहीं हो सकती
Correct.
लव हुआ है दैट इज श्योर तो वो श्योरिटी होती है वही स्टार्टअप में भी है कि आइडिया है बना है वो श्योरिटी है बट बाकी जर्नी का कोई पार्ट भी आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये और मैं हम एक टाइम पे
हाँ.
एंड दैट्स व्हाई मेरा लाइक आई हैव मैसिव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर व्हाटएवर हैज बीन बिल्ट इन इंडिया ऑफ लेट्स से फ्लिपकार्ट और व्हाटएवर बिकॉज टू व्हाटएवर रीजन यू कैन कॉल इट कि ओ ये तो इसका कॉपी है या जो भी है there is never a same playbook it cannot
Same
happen
है. It's impossible.
हाँ.
Anyone who has
Like-
built the smallest thing, I have immense respect for
हाँ.
them because
yeah
they are taking a risk,
yeah
such a big risk. Right?
हाँ.
Like the amount of money I would have made staying in a job at this point is
Yeah.
insane,
yeah
right? And that is also something that I think about at times कि यार इतना पैसा गया. It's not like कि नहीं आया.
अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट है ना आपकी
हाँ.
पूरी लाइफ की लाइक और वो
Correct.
भी आपके पीक लाइफ की ये नहीं है कि
हाँ.
आप 75 पे खेल रहे हो ये
हाँ,
गेम
वो
कि
है.
इसके बाद आप खत्म हो जाओगे तो
हाँ.
ठीक है राइट बट यू आर प्लेइंग दिस एट लेट्स से योर पीक
And
डेज
27,
हाँ
हाँ.
27 28
हाँ.
क्योंकि अभी से लेकर 35 तक का ही पीक होता है यूजुअली इन दिस
हाँ,
कैटेगरी
हाँ.
उसके बाद इट्स लाइक कि बस यू आर जस्ट शिफ्टिंग गियर्स बट
Correct.
लार्जली पीक आपका यही है तो उसमें इफ यू आर टेकिंग दिस बिकॉज आई जनरली थिंक इट्स नॉट इजी लाइक दिस
भाई इजी तो नहीं है लगता है इजी बाहर से मेरे को भी लगता था द रीजन आई आल्सो डिड दिस लाइक आई सेड नो इज लाइक बीइंग अ डिसीजन मेकर एंड
it humbles you down a lot
correct and it makes you appreciate the small things more
Yeah.
like this person got a customer भाई let's go
हाँ
कि तेरे को पैसा मिला किसी से crazy भाई.
agreed
Right,
Yeah,
like you managed to, like my co-founder and I now celebrate the smallest thing. LinkedIn पे पोस्ट डाला भाई 50 लाइक मिले, लेट्स गो. Because these are small things you just salvage for sanity,
and you have to.
and you start like respecting the craft much more.
Yes.
Like and there's something I have been good at personally बहुत टाइम से, कि मैं हर क्राफ्ट को रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ, because it's a craft, right?
Yeah,
In the
yeah.
end of the day, someone's
Yeah, yeah.
learned something to do this.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
know much more than me.
Yeah.
But when you start out on yourself,
Yeah.
भाई ये तो कोई भी कर सकता है.
Yes.
And that delusion is good.
Yeah.
So there is a balance of delusion also.
So that is another question I have, right? How much of like delusion do you need to be in?
Yeah.
Because I have this question with myself a lot of times, and I have had this question with a lot of founders as well. Ki where is that, like, because to build anything, right, you
Yeah.
need to have some amount of delusion.
Yes.
And if you are not having that delusion, then you are not believing. You'll not be able to convince yourself,
Yeah.
because you can come up with 10 rationals to not build it.
Correct. Always.
Always, right? To
It's
not.
logical to not do a startup.
Yeah, like the fundamental logic is to never do a startup.
Correct.
Right? तो what are the, like, how do you figure out कि यार मुझे इतने delusion में तो रहना ही पड़ेगा to go through it, because अगर मैंने ये delusion नहीं रखा अपने साथ, तो
हाँ.
फिर मैं like I will end up not building it.
That's not come from like realization or reading or seeing. It's come from working with my co-founder,
हाँ.
because he helps me be delusional, right? He's that kind of person, and I'm less of that.
हाँ.
So and
More critical of.
yeah, I'm more realistic.
हाँ.
He's more delusional.
हाँ.
So we balance each other out that way. And कभी-कभी उसका swing down होता है, मेरा hype up होता है, and it's cycles for everyone, right? But he's fundamentally what you would call someone who's more optimistic.
हाँ.
I'm also very optimistic, but I'm not delusional. Delusional optimistic तो अलग ही है in my mind.
हाँ.
Like what helps me now is listening to rap, bhai.
है.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I listen to rap, and I like Desi hip hop to like.
Same. So Desi
I
means
listen to Seedhe Maut, Krishna, Raga,
Arey.
Raval, all these guys.
Wow.
So
Nice.
these guys specifically, and
हाँ.
recently like.
So
recently-
so again ये मैंने देखा है कि अंडरग्राउंड स्टोरीज देखना या पढ़ना या
हाँ.
उनके बारे में, बिकॉज अगेन
सुनना
पूरा
भी-
हाँ रैप भी पूरा देसी अंडरग्राउंड पे ही है वो.
Correct.
तो वो थोड़ा सा एक अंडरडॉग फीलिंग दे देता है कि हाँ
Yes.
हाँ कुछ तो कर लेंगे.
And just hypes you up, man. You
Yeah.
need that sometimes. Just fucking hype yourself up. And in the mornings, I'm like, okay, meditation, calm.
हाँ.
Like music वो भी चलता है.
हाँ.
फिर work day में music, focus music चलता है.
हाँ.
When I'm down for hype music चलता है. It's not like you downplay. Like
हाँ.
I'm down for some time, and then I'm like, no, I need to get back. Who's gonna do the work?
हाँ.
And then the music starts.
Fair.
It takes some time, and then I pick myself up. So the music helps. And just sometimes these stupid motivational videos also just help, man.
हाँ.
Like it's
yeah,
it's very lame to say
हाँ
कि
but
भाई मैं तो मोटिवेशन वीडियो देख लेता हूँ, देख लेता हूँ भाई मैं.
हाँ, हाँ.
चलता है यार.
like give me an example of which one do you, because
I was watching this like everyone's probably I think watched Silicon Valley. वहाँ पे there is this point where Raj shows
Yeah.
what's the guy's name? What's the founder's name? Whatever.
हाँ.
The main guy,
Yeah.
Richard. हाँ.
Yeah.
He shows him this alpha male video. ठीक है.
हाँ.
मैंने खोजा वो वीडियो, मैं वो देखता हूँ कभी कभी. And that's
Interesting.
not my personality, ठीक है.
हाँ हाँ.
But you need that.
Yeah.
You need that thing कि भाई मैं तो खोलूँगा किसी का भी.
हाँ.
And once you convince yourself, you just need to lie to yourself enough that you can do it, and then you'll do it. And I hope that's the case. That's what keeps me going, at least right now.
So मैं like, because I think we are almost reaching the location. This again, because I'm moving a little towards, let's say, philosophical questions. So again, I believe in the world humans have three kind of problems. One is very basic food, water, shelter problems. Second is again the health, maybe health and all of those problems. The third are the problems they create.
Correct.
right?
Okay.
It could be climbing a Mount Everest. There's genuinely no signs on if you can climb a Mount Everest. There is something about you. Like, ठीक है, मतलब it's a big thing, right?
Okay.
You'll get a name out of it, and you will feel validated out of it.
Huh.
That's why you are doing it, right?
Huh,
There would
huh.
be there are those, and I feel founders also create a problem
Huh.
to solve it, to find some sort of validations,
Huh.
right? ऐसा ही होता होगा, right? वरना यू कैन गो एंड लाइक अगर पैसे ही कमाने हैं, मेरे दिमाग में रैशनली मुझे ये समझ में आया है पिछले 10 साल में, अगर आपको सिर्फ मनी इज योर गेम, देन यू शुड नॉट डू अ स्टार्टअप, बिकॉज योर श्योरिटी ऑफ विनिंग द मनी is actually not as high as it could be in maybe doing some other thing, right? कल अगर आप like if you let's say end up doing stock trading for 3 years, you might be able to make way more money than you will be able to do in 7 years of efforts of building a startup. Could be, right? There could be a possibility. So what is your sort of, let's say, thought, or how do you look at it? The reason for you to build, right? You said I have a selfish reason, which is to कि ये मैं मतलब I will drive it, या मेरा है, like, but it is one part of it. What other parts do you think it get, like, your ego gets satisfied while building?
I mean, I तो enjoy building,
का
but वो तो कहीं भी नहीं कर सकता हूँ.
exactly.
I have to think. For me, it was that selfish reason, like I said, right? Calling the shots. And I think to a certain extent, I'm thinking out loud. I don't think I have an answer because I've not thought about this. But for me, at least, the trigger was I started seeing my ceiling. Matlab, I started working with very senior people. I started seeing other senior people. And I was like, okay, if I keep killing it in life, in the next 5-10 years I'll hit this, and then what, right? Like, what happens beyond being like a head of product at a very big organization? What happens beyond that, right? Like, there is nothing beyond that. So the biggest, so like you said, right, you create your own ceiling.
Yeah.
So I started seeing that ceiling and I was like, okay, ठीक है, maybe I want to try breaking it. Let me break it, right? I have this freedom जहाँ पे मैं कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ.
If you're looking for parking, you can go here.
Or we can take a left.
Or you can go on this road also.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was like, dude, okay, this ceiling probably is something I feel I have ambitions to reach beyond. So probably that's one other thing.
I've been thinking about. So is it like, okay, and is it that you think कि you realize, क्योंकि ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, that I was at certain, तो मैंने देख लिया कि अच्छा ये यहाँ पे, तो फिर I realize यार ये नहीं बनना है, ये शायद मैं नहीं बनना चाहूँगा, अगर मैं 10 साल रहूँगा तो ये बन जाऊँगा,
Correct.
जो कि गलत नहीं है,
हाँ.
बट शायद मैं ये नहीं बनना चाहता,
हाँ.
तो मैं ये 10 साल की जर्नी में ये नहीं करूँगा
हाँ.
जो इन लोगों ने किया है.
हाँ.
Could be, I think. ठीक है.
Could be, मतलब मेरा,
हाँ, मतलब इसका कोई right and wrong answer नहीं है, I am also just
it's
thinking.
tough because like the hardest thing to do is introspection, right?
Yeah.
Like, it's insanely hard. That's why you have feedback processes and for whatever you do in your company, right? Like peer feedback and all, because you cannot judge you.
In fact, I feel that the more you know yourself is the more you know the world. So you need
Correct.
to create, like, you need to know yourself a lot deeper to not even the world, like for me to know you deeper.
आज मेरा quarterly check-in है life का for the year.
Okay.
That I will
Good
do
or bad
tonight.
day?
No, like good or bad year so far, basically.
Okay.
Because like I set this goal thingy
अच्छा.
for the year. Actually, मैं इसको 3 साल से कर रहा हूँ सही से.
Oh.
तो but last 2 years से मैंने ये observe किया कि I set and forget, and then at the end I measure and I see okay 60% achieve, 70% achieve my goals. It isn't like extremely ambitious goals also because I'm a realist, right? I have like very realistic goals that are achievable. तो मतलब ऐसे goals हैं मैंने realize कि 2 साल से मैंने बनाए हैं but I don't check in, so I cannot course correct. So this time
Yeah,
I
like मैं
plan to
quarterly.
do quarterly कि हाँ मैं
break down करूँगा.
जी yes let's go.
Interesting,
Okay
yeah.
ours.